Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error message Nvidia GeForce experience. Something went wrong. Try rebooting your PC and then try to launch the GeForce experience once again. So as you can see, I have the error message or the error code 0x0003. So in order to fix this, what you want to do is obviously try to restart your computer. If you restart your computer and this still does not fix the problem, then you want to go ahead and move on to the next step. Right click on the Windows logo on your taskbar here and go to your device manager, guys. Now from here you want to look for the display adapter in the list. Click the drop down, right click on the display adapter here of the GeForce and click on update. Choose the option that says browse my computer for drivers and choose let me pick from the list. Once you come here, look for the Nvidia driver, click on next and install the driver from here. You will realize that your display will be dimmed. It will go ahead and install the latest driver for you. If you try this and this still does not fix the issue, then you want to move on to the next step of simply right clicking on the Windows logo on your taskbar, go to install apps, guys, and from here you want to look for the Nvidia driver. Now all you have to do is just simply use the search at the top there and simply search for Nvidia. Now you will have a bunch of options up here. You want to look for the Nvidia GeForce experience. Now once you find it, guys, simply go ahead and uninstall the Nvidia GeForce experience application. Just go ahead and choose yes, and it's going to uninstall the Nvidia application from your computer. Now you want to be patient and allow this to remove from your computer. Once it is finished uninstalled, you will see that it disappears from your computer here within a moment. Now once it is finished uninstalled from your computer, guys, go ahead and open up your browser and you want to search for Nvidia experience. So go ahead and search for that. You'll find it on the official website. You need to go there and you want to download the Nvidia app. So go ahead and click on download now and wait for the download to complete. You will see that you have the Nvidia application downloaded on your computer. As you can see, mine is almost done and we have to just go ahead and run this installer. So you will go ahead and receive a pop-up on your computer from your user account control. Just go ahead and click on yes to go ahead and install the application on your PC. And all you have to do is just simply install the Nvidia app on your computer. And afterwards, this should go ahead and fix the problem for you. So right now you can see that it appears here and says that I need to accept terms and conditions. So I'm going to click and accept right here, guys, and you want to go ahead and allow this to install on your PC. So let's just allow it a moment to complete. And here, guys, you can see that the installation has completed and it's currently loading and about to appear on my computer, and that should go ahead and fix the issue for me.